So hello everyone, this is Shruti Mistry, and today we are going to explore what are the features we can utilize for security purposes, and one of it is data masking in Snowflakes. So dynamic data masking is a technique used to protect sensitive information within a database table. When we have a personal information that needs to be safeguarded, data masking ensures that the information remains obscured from unauthorized access. This is particularly useful in scenarios where different users or roles require varying levels of data visibility. So before executing, dynamic data masking can be applied to return only masked results. This means that the sensitive data remains hidden and we have complete control over which roles are allowed to see specific data. So as you can see, uh, so one of the powerful aspects of dynamic data masking is its application at the column level. This features allows us to specify individual columns for masking and create custom patterns. For instance, we might decide to display only the first letter of a name followed by a series of asterisks or particularly mask phone numbers. The customization gives us the flexibility to determine exactly how much of any given volume is visible. Moreover, we can assign these masking rules to specific roles within our system, ensuring that different users have appropriate access levels. By doing so, we can control who can see what kind of data, maintaining a high level of security and data privacy. And the advantages are enhanced security. So, your sensitive information is protected from unauthorized access, which reduces the data breaches risk. And second is customizable. Masking rules can be tailored to specific columns and rows, so it provides granular control of your data. Then there is compliance, helps in meeting the regulatory requirement by ensuring that the sensitive data is masked. Then the next is real-time masking. So basically you're dynamically masking your data at a very execution time, ensuring that the original data remains unchanged in the database. Then disadvantages are performance overhead, where that is it may introduce additional processing time and increase the query performance. Then complexity is maintaining these rules can be complex in large databases. Then there is limitation in design, so some reporting might require unmasked data, necessitating the additional controls. So yeah, summarizing the data masking, it is really a helpful feature to protect your sensitive data, and it can be fully customized and applied at the column level, giving us the precise control over data visibility based on the user rules. So I hope you understood what is data masking. Thank you.